Welcome. If you want to set up Face Unlock in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next we have to move for the password and the security, then click on the Face Unlock, input your current log method, and after that we have to keep our face right here and read the description. After that we can click right here to start scanning our face, so keep it in the circle, and right now it's finished, so click done. And right now just simply you can check how it works. So lock the device, then unlock, and as you can see our face was recognized, so we can simply swipe to open the device. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.